Today's case is anything but ordinary. Ruby Benton is in court for credit. Card abusing things spiral quickly when the judge finds out she's about to manage loans at TitleMax. That's right, she's charged with theft, but lined up to handle other people's financial data. The judge doesn't hold back, grilling her with hard questions and exposing contradictions. From bold theft to probation violations, this hearing is a dramatic roller coaster. Get ready, because this courtroom showdown only gets more intense.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargaining agreement, the state is requesting a $1,500 fine, recommending deferred adjudication, taking consideration 2021 CR 4511, restitution to be determined to Erica Hines, ERIKA HAYNES, restitution to Jade Flores. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement that's been to court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Erica Haynes, Jade Flores, theft level 2 course, and the MRT course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense is charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Judge, my client is 41 years old. She's a single mother of two boys who live with her. Her only prior judge was in 2004, was a driving while license invalid. And so we would ask you, and she just now got, well, I don't know that she's gotten the job yet, but she's very close to getting it with TitleMax. So we're asking that this fine be probated, also in light of the fact that there's maybe restitution. So we would just ask the court to probate the fine.
All right. Ms. Benton Court, why are you stealing?
I'm sorry?
Why are you stealing? Why are you taking things that don't belong to you? And it was a mighty bold move of you to take somebody's credit card while they're in line, and then you don't even leave the store with the credit card. You take the credit card and go back to another place in the store and start using their credit card. So explain to me, why are you taking things that do not belong to you?
This moment defines the case. Ruby blames stress and divorce, but the judge isn't buying it. He sharply confronts her, pointing out that plenty of people go through hardship without stealing. His tone is stern, his questions relentless. This isn't just about theft, it's about character and choices. When emotions meet accountability, the courtroom heat rises. Do you think she deserves a second chance, or was the judge right to call her out with no mercy? Let us know in the comments.
I didn't have money, Your Honor, and I was paying for my medication. I wasn't thinking. I'm sorry. I really don't have an excuse.
No. Well, they want you to do the MRT. The MRT is supposed to teach you, I think, lessons that should have been learned at home when you were a child and in elementary school, which is don't take what doesn't belong to you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Don't steal. Do you have employment?
Yes, Your Honor. I just got hired with TitleMax.
And what are you doing at TitleMax?
I'm a customer service rep. I was originally gonna go in as a customer service representative, but they offered me a manager position.
Yeah, but that does not tell me, what are you doing at TitleMax?
Oh, I'm sorry. We do loans, car title loans. We offer loans for titles, for car titles.
So let me just tell you the problem I have right now. The problem I have right now is she was at a store. She took somebody's credit card and used it. Now she's working at TitleMax, which I'm assuming, I've never been to TitleMax. I'm assuming that when they're giving people loans, they get their social security number and potentially get their credit card information, and they're making her a manager.
Here's where things get real. Ruby claims she's just been hired at TitleMax where she'd deal with loans, credit cards, and social security numbers. The problem? She's literally on trial for financial fraud. The judge connects the dots fast and shuts it down. He questions how anyone could trust her with sensitive financial data after this. This twist completely flips the case. Can someone facing theft charges truly be trusted in a financial position? What would you do if you were the employer?
Because she's probably frustrated, trying to figure out why the card is not working. And then she thinks she's lost her card. She's like, I just had it here. Where is it? And then they pull a video and they see you've taken the card and you've gone to the pharmacy using her credit card. So it wasn't you just found a card on the ground.
No.
If you found a credit card on the ground.
No, I didn't say on the ground, Your Honor. I said I found the credit card and I used it. I didn't say on the
Where did you find it?
It was on the counter.
Yeah, on the counter where she had set it down because it was not working and she was frustrated. So again, that was a bold move on your part. And that says something about your character, that you pick up a credit card. It's on the counter right next to the complainant. You take it and you start using it in the store. So I am back to the point of, one, do you really have a job with TitleMax? Two, does TitleMax know that you have this theft case where you stole someone's credit card and was using it in a store? Because three, I don't think that you can be trusted at this point in time in your life to have information that includes people's social security number, their home address, and the fact that they have credit cards. So does TitleMax know you have this theft case?
I don't know what exactly they know. We're going through the hiring process, the onboarding, they're checking everything, Your Honor.
Well, let me just tell you, you're not working at TitleMax, not in this court. So you're going to have to find some other place to work where you're not dealing with money. And when I say dealing with money, I mean where you don't have access to people's social security numbers, to people's credit card information, to their home address. And if you are in a management position at TitleMax and they're considering giving people a loan, I'm sure you have all that information along with their bank account if you're in a management position. And that cannot be. This is what the court is going to do. It's a $1,500 fine. I'll probate it. 3 years deferred adjudication. Taking consideration 2021 CR 4511. Restitution to Erica Haynes and Jade Flores. All right. Ms. Bentoncourt, how are you supporting yourself? Who's paying for your food and your house and all of that?
I get assistance, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, what?
I get assistance, Your Honor.
Oh, Judge.
What are you getting assistance for?
I get food stamps with for my kids.
Okay, so you're being supported by the taxpayers. So you get food stamps. And why do you not have a job?
I've been looking for a job, Your Honor, and I just got this job, and well, now
When's the last time you had a job?
Last year, Your Honor.
All right, yeah, that's going to change. I don't know why people who are able-bodied and can work think that taxpayers want to support them. I mean, I don't want to do it, but I'll do it because your children need to eat. But you're going to get a job while you're on probation.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not trying to not work.
You haven't been working for a year.
I'm sorry?
You have not been working for a year, so
I've been
trying not to work.
I've been looking, Your Honor, and I've been applying different places, and I just got hired on to this position, and well, I'm not officially hired, but
you've been looking for work for a year. So what that means is the taxpayers, people on this Zoom screen who have jobs, have been supporting you for a year. And that's
No,
going to stop you. You're going to get a job.
No, I know that, Your Honor. I was married previously, so my husband was paying for everything.
Or you're going to get
I just got divorced.
all right, you're going to get a job. All right, it's 120 hours of community service, restitution. How far did you go in school?
I have my GED.
All right. There's 120 hours community service, restitution, or that would be waived if she is in some type of trade school or seeks higher education. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And know that you're going to get drug tested today.
Negative, Your Honor.
All right, there's going to be regular Zoom reporting. If you can't report by Zoom, that'll be in person. I'm going to want random field visits 1 time per month. All right, Ms. Benton Court, is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, with that, we're going to close the record. CR 4510, State versus Ruby Benton Court. Can I have parties announce?
Megan Galloway for the state.
And are you Ruby Benton Court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? And for the state?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Balik sila ko good for Miss Benton Court.
All right. And are you the same Ruby Benton Court who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 4510 for the offense of credit debit card abuse on July 20th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Sir.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 5 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Ruby Benton Court, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February through September 2022 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead for that? True or not true?
True.
State. Are you waiving the remaining allegation?
State will waive and remain. Waive and abandon the remaining violation. Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, no problem. Any objections?
Yeah.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there proposed agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. That is to grant the state's motion to revoke probationer, but to sentence under 1244 for 300 days Bexar County jail with a felony conviction.
Yes, sir. That's our understanding.
All right, what has she done on probation? Any objection to?
Probation was her second chance, and she blew it. Ruby failed to report for over a year, missed community service, skipped required classes, and didn't stay in contact. The judge reviews the file. Nothing was done. Her excuse, she thought. It only lasted a year. It's clear she didn't take it seriously. The court gave her leniency once and now it's gone. What do you think? Was this genuine confusion or someone avoiding responsibility until consequences finally caught? Up, share your thoughts below.
I didn't think well acting, Your Honor. I was going through, it's not an excuse, but I was going through a divorce and I just wasn't thinking.
Did you report February of 2022?
I don't recall, Your Honor, honestly.
March, April, May, June, July, August, September,
I reported the first year.
and then you just stopped reporting.
I was under the assumption that it was only for a year, Your Honor.
No, you were not under that assumption. Let me tell you why you were not under that assumption. Because your probation was extended. So that means that you know that.
What do you? Okay.
So you haven't done anything.
Yeah, my understanding, she had a family situation. Her dad passed away.
Mhm.
And my understanding was during COVID.
All right, I'm not inclined to give you a 1244 because you haven't done anything. It says here, on the court summary, you didn't report for the months of February through September 2022, November through December 2022, January through March 2023. Field officers have made 11 field visits during this time. They made frequent contact with you, telling you you need to report. And they're like, your last report to probation was a virtual office visit in October. And they said it was an intervention urging you to report. And it says the probation officer has responded with phone calls and texts. And their last time they made a phone call was February 2023, and the recording stated that the phone number was out of service. Did you do any community service hours?
No, Your Honor.
Did you complete the theft course?
I registered for it. He was supposed to tell me where to go, but he didn't.
All right, so she hasn't done anything. So I don't think she's appropriate for a 1244.
The final judgment is in 12 months in state jail, plus rehab. Ruby's probation is revoked due to total noncompliance. No reporting, no courses, no accountability. The judge's decision is clear, and firm justice must mean something. This case is a reminder that second chances come with expectations. If you found this hearing intense, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns. We bring you the raw, unfiltered drama straight from the bench.